Good morning to all of you. This is a simple demonstration of how the herbal vomiting process is being done. It's a special treatment in Ayurveda called Vamana. We are making in a very modified protocol so that you can easily imbibe how it is easily done. It's a process that is usually done for a wide variety of cases. The list is long, but it's very distinguished. Acute asthma is one of the simple indications, but there are many in the list. So what we intend out of the shooting here to you is to make it easy for you to imbibe the process and also to make you realize that it's a very simple process by its implementation and that you can easily endure the process without any difficulties. And the basic step for that is that it is done at empty stomach. In the morning time is of course preferably between 6 to 7:30 or maximum 8 before the sun is really hot. It's really hot outside, so we call it somewhat the kapha kala here. That is the time of the kapha. But in acute conditions we don't wait for it, we do it any time when it is mostly needed. So the very first step is, there are 3 steps to it. One is the herbal curd drinking, curd and milk combination, which I'll show you now with sugar added to it. The second is the steam bath. It's always prescribed by massage. So the treatments, whichever is being done before the Vamana, just 15-20 minutes is more than enough. Just to get the steam acting all over the body. And third is of course the real vomiting process, which of course I'll be telling piece by piece, and we'll cut the recording now and make sure that we take piece by piece of those procedure. So today I am the beneficiary myself. I do it every year. I do it possibly a couple of times a year. It's a very healthy practice to cleanse the stomach once a while, at least once a year, if we can call it. But Vamana is more than just cleansing the stomach by its effects. But here what we do is a Sadhya Vamana. It's a modified protocol of the classical Vamana process. Classical Vamana process not everybody can afford, or rather not everybody deserves on them or him or her in a medical sense. So what we show here is very simple. And this is a combination of curd and milk and sugar added to it. So this is to be consumed in one shot quickly. In some people we use even half of it, which is also fine. Just to let you know, this is what we do. And after this is done, the process will be of Abhyanga, that is the herbal massage with oil, and then the herbal steam, which will be done in the chamber. Just another the steam box there. So I will be cutting off the procedure now to show, because now the Abhyanga and the steam happen, which doesn't need any kind of videos. But the main process of the vomiting will be shown further on. So I'll just be getting back into it very soon. Please hold on to your video.